Hey guys, look what I just picked up for $2.50. Not too bad. All three Snap-on brands. Got a couple rolling carts here. That one with the top that opens up. Got a couple drawers. Ooh, and some playing cards and a couple drills. Both roll great. Good Snap-on quality. Another little cart there. Battery and chain not included, by the way. That was mine. Neither was the air filter. That was mine as well. But here's a big one that I really like. Sorry about the low light. It's kind of bad. Maybe I can get some light here. That help at all? Yeah, that helps a little bit. Got a bunch of sockets in the top drawer. All of them are Craftsman, Matco, and Cornwell brand. A couple Snap-on in there. Should have waited on buying this from the Snap-on guy the other day. I needed one of those. This is a good ratchet wrench here. I have one identical to that. Some more wrenches, mainly Craftsman brand here. Speed wrench. Don't use that much these days, but it's still there. Plenty of screwdrivers. Some random stuff in there. Sheet metal cutters. And I could use this at work instead of going and hunting down the one that everybody uses. Not much in there. Well, I could use this. What size is that? 2-inch. That's handy. This is handy too. That bulb is good. That'll go on the Silverado. Who knows when that'll come in handy. Got more sockets down here. Got to straighten them up and put them in the right place, but that's all Craftsman stuff there. Got a couple impacts that still work. Some fuses and relays. Not too much else in there. Tailgate cables. An old EGR valve there. I think that's what that is. I couldn't complain for $2.50. I thought it was a pretty good deal. Now I've got some tools and some storage at home.